Good morning. Welcome to Wolf TV.
TV.
I'm Desi,
And I'm Grace.
and here are today's announcements.
Attention all runners. Our Runners Club will start Tuesday, August 16th at 7:30 a.m. Runners should meet at the track ready to run. Bring your school clothes to change into after practice. Everyone is welcome. Any questions, please contact Coach Regamai.
Mega Blaster Fundraiser will kick off will be on August 18, 2022.
Grade level PBIS Discipline assemblies will be held on August 19, 2022.
Fall pictures through social studies class will be held on September 16, 2022.
Open house will be in person on September 15, 2022 at 6 p.m.
Come join ITMS Broadway Blazers after school theater. This production will be The Wizard of Oz. The rehearsals will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays after school September 20th. Registration forms and schedules and information will be available in the front office.
Lunch lines 5 and 6 are the main meal. Monday's meal is hamburger and fries or veggie burger.
Lunch lines, both 1 and 2, have pizza and chicken sandwiches every day. Line up for either.
Remember to buy everything that you want in one trip through the line.
August 15th is National Relax Day. This day we encourage you to slow down, unwind, and it is a day to focus and take care of ourselves